Reve versus Ideogram. Today we're going to have a look at both of these real-time image generation tools and figure out which one is faster and which one offers more features. Okay, so we're looking at Reve AI, and this is revolutionizing image generation all in all. Okay, it's the next generation of real-time AI creation. It's built for creators, it's built for marketers, designers, and developers who demand precision and speed and commercial grade quality. Let's have a look at more of their details. So first of all, it's the #1 ranked text to image model ever, delivering superior quality, prompt adherence, and unmatched style flexibility across every single creative use. It's trained on more than 50 million font samples. It achieves 98% text accuracy. It's perfect for character placement and styling every single time. It's got a native 2048 generation with optional 4K upscaling, maintaining 92% detail accuracy for print ready and digital ready assets. The next and last thing that we need to talk about is generation. It's featured with rapid generation. This gives you high fidelity images delivered in under 20 seconds. It's powered by a hybrid diffusion architecture, which is combining multiple breakthrough technologies. Now, if you are looking for something that is going to blow your mind in terms of image generation in real time, go ahead and try Reve. It's crazy when you actually use it, how good it really is. We're looking at Ideogram now. It's revolutionizing your AI image generation all in all. Ideogram 3.0 sets a new standard for AI generated visuals, okay? So it delivers photorealism, typography mastery, and character consistency, which is a huge thing today if you're wanting to create content for your company, your business, marketing material, whatever it is. Character consistency is really important. All of these outperform competing models in human evaluations. It gives you stunning realism, so it's the best in its class for photorealism with precise prompt adherence. It tops human preference evaluations against all of the other major text-to-image competitors. Also, it gives you crystal clear text integrations into images. It's ideal for your logos, branding, posters, and design layouts where legibility is non-negotiable. Also, the character reference feature locks in facial features, hairstyles, and styles from a single reference image, keeping characters coherent across every type of generation that you're making. The next thing over here is their advanced editing suite. So this means you can crop, resize, draw, and adjust with their editor. It builds compositions from scratch, or you can even refine existing images with full creative control. Then, having a look at some of its competitive advantages, its unique combination of style transfer, intelligent prompt tooling, and enterprise scale API access makes it really the go-to platform for any type of professional designer, marketer, even content creators that are building branded visual assets at scale. You can upload up to 3 reference images to guide aesthetic output with precision. You can expand brief ideas into rich prompts, or you can even decode any image into detailed text descriptions. And then the best part, the batch features and their API capabilities. You can generate 500 prompts at once and integrate them directly into your app or your individual workflow. There we go, folks. If you are looking for real-time image generation, some of these tools are better than the others. However, the takeaway is always to go and use a few of them and see which one works for you specifically. If this was enjoyable, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.